They say when a chef can carve the chrysanthemum tofu flower, he's not just holding a knife, he's mastered it.
I've done it.
Sit. Oh, good boy. Okay. I'm gonna tell him. Leon, you didn't come home and I knew you'd be here and I couldn't wait to tell you.
Sarah, I've done it. I've mastered the knife. I'm gonna win us the World Culinary Championship. I'm gonna take us to Paris, to Tokyo, Rome. I'm gonna show the world what I can do.
Should I tell him that I'm pregnant? He seems so focused on his cooking. That is amazing, Leon. I'm so proud of you.
I've got to talk to the restaurant manager. You should get home. It's snowing hard. Don't wait for me. I'll be late.
Okay, honey. When will he have time for a family?
All right, folks, this is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. Your undisputed king of cooking, Chef Leon Kennedy! In honor of Chef Kennedy's historic milestone, Mr. Perkins has pledged an additional cash prize on top of Chef Kennedy's winnings.
That's right, Iris. As the owner of over 20 Michelin restaurants, it has been the joy of a lifetime to witness Chef Kennedy wielding his legendary Damascus knife in person.
Leon! 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 And now we invite to the stage your king of cooking, Leon Kennedy!
Where is he? Where's Leon? We want the king of cooking.
Mr. Kennedy, your wife is in a car accident on her way to your awards ceremony. She's in critical condition. You have to hurry. We don't know how much time she has. I must inform you, sir. Your wife, she's 8 weeks pregnant.
Sarah.
We did everything we could.
Your king of cooking, Leon Kennedy!
Sarah!
Sarah, you gave me this knife when I won my first competition.
I don't want to be king of cooking if it means losing you. Two days and you still haven't eaten. You trying to leave me too, buddy?
It is widely believed that the disappearance of the king of cooking was due to the sudden death of his wife, Sarah. He's not been seen for several months, and it is a topic of raging debate who will inherit his crown if he does not return. Wherever you are, Leon, we miss you.
Hey, want some snacks? Yeah.
Hey, Leon. Brought some snacks for Dante and some leftover risotto for you.
Thanks, Ada.
The last few months, you've been nothing but kind. And we'll have nothing to repay you with. So, how about a roast?
Wow, your knife skills, it's actually quite impressive. Have you ever considered becoming a chef?
Hey, good luck with your bid today. Hope that you get what you came for.
Wait, how did you know?
Every Tuesday, you come by at exactly 9 a.m. for a produce restock for your restaurant. Well, today you're here at 7:45, which tells me something expensive shipped in and you want first pick. You have your van parked there with your 2 stock boys, which means it's big. And I can only think of one thing. Bluefin tuna. You're here to bid on the prize jewel of the Pacific, am I right?
And truffles.
Delicious.
Leon, who exactly are you?
Nobody. Just a bum who likes good food. You should go inside. Don't let me hold you up.
Okay.
Whoever cooked this risotto needs to go back to culinary school.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you the whole thing.
Hey, Bob. Is there anyone here to bid for the tuna? If not, I'd like to take it.
Sorry, Ada. It's already been sold.
Sold? Who took it?
Pack up my fish, boys. And my truffles.
You sold my truffles too? I thought I had first pick.
A great ass, like always.
Leave me alone, Joey. What's the deal, Bob? We had an agreement.
Don't blame Bob. Everyone knows your restaurant isn't what it used to be. I pay more. I buy more. That sounds fair, right? Oh, sweetheart, don't look at me like that. Business is business.
You know what's actually fair? If I actually had a chance to bid what I came here for.
Fine. You want fair? I challenge you to a lobster deshelling contest. If you win, I'll give you first pick for the rest of the season. And the tuna.
Wasn't Joey a chef before he was a restaurant manager? How would Ada even compete with that?
She's gonna lose for sure. Joey's just trying to embarrass her.
But if you lose, I get to kiss you for however long I want.
Ah.
Are you game?
I say, bring it on, asshole.
That looks fresh. Who's that guy?
She's been in there a long time. Something's wrong.
I'll be right back, okay?
All right, let's start now. Time! Joey wins at 5 minutes and 49 seconds.
Why'd she even bother? She knew she was gonna lose.
Maybe she wanted to kiss Joey, but needs the excuse. You know how women are. They never mean it when they say no.
Get off of me, you creep.
We had a deal. You lost. You're gonna kiss me in front of everyone, for however long I want.
Let her go.
You call this shit deshelling a lobster?
Who the hell are you? What, are you just gonna let a fucking bum walk in here?
He's my friend Leon. Leave him alone.
Your lobster is rubbery and overcooked. Not even my dog would eat this.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
You're missing the claws and the legs. This deshelling is incomplete. The competition isn't over.
He's kind of right.
Yeah, you can't skip the claws in a lobster deshelling contest.
Oh, not the legs too, right? Those suckers are tiny.
So what? I could deshell the claws right now. Ada still loses. It don't change nothing.
Then I will finish the competition for her. And beat your time by half.
You think you can deshell an entire lobster in under 5 minutes?
3, to be exact.
This fucking hobo is a funny one.
Leon, it's okay.
Trust me. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. I won't lose.
Who do you think you are, the missing master chef?
Are you up for the competition or not? Or are you too scared that I might beat you?
Me, scared of a hobo. When you lose, which you will, you have to lick my fucking shoes.
Leon, don't.
Deal.
Three, 2, 1, start!